Amapholisa abizwe endaweni esehlakalo ngemva kokuthi kuzwakala iphunga elimbi elivela lapha. Athina kaphenyaka amapholisa athola isidumbu sinya ngemva komnyango kwafunyanwa ezinye ezihlanu ngaphandle kwesitolo esithengisa iinsetshenziswa zenkoloyi bekulungiswe nenkoloyi. Amapholisa asitshela ukuthi iindumbu ezihlanu ezifunyenwe ngaphandle bese lezonakele. Besiforensic nabo bebakhona endaweni esehlakalo bazama ukutholisisa bona ingabe kwenzekini. Izakhamuzi lapha eziningi zithukwe khulu ngokutholakala kweendumbu lezi. Umuntu omduna weminyaka ematjhumi amabili nanye ubudala obotjhiwe uyokuvela kusasa ekhotho ngamacala okubulala ezisithandathu.
The suspect was seen with the deceased woman. She was never seen again until her body was discovered on Sunday morning. The clothes that she was wearing matches those of a person that was reported missing recently. Upon questioning the suspects, the police went back to the building and 5 more bodies were discovered outside the building where there is a makeshift workshop and rubbish dumpsters.
Iphiko lendaba le-SABC lizwisisa bona kunomgadangiso we-CCTV otshengisa umsolwa oneminyaka ematjhumi amabili nanye ubudala lo akhamba ngaphakathi emakhweni lo uyisusela abamba umlomo.
I feel like I want to disown him. Really, I don't even want to anybody to attach with me, because me, things of those character, to me, they are far away from me. But you know, like if you got a son or a brother or a mother, people, what they don't understand, everybody is responsible for his own deeds.
Iphiko lendaba le-SABC lizamile ukufumana imindeni yabongazimbi ebamagega nemakhweni eyazi ngesehlakalo lesi.